In today's episode, you'll learn how to organize your Flutter project. In the previous video, we learned that in Flutter, everything is a widget, and you basically have two types of widget: stateless widget and stateful widget. And we also learned that we have a few built-in widgets that we can use to create our apps. So once you create your new project, we basically have two classes in the same file. The first thing I want to show you is that we can remove this My Homepage widget, and let's create its own file for it. So come inside of your lib folder, click on New File. Now we have to name it. Let's name this home.dart. And notice that I'm using only lowercase letters. And then pass this class inside of it. You will see that we have this arrow right here. I told you in the previous video we need to import this package right here. You can copy and paste it right here. Another way to import that package is using the import keyword and then search for package and then Flutter, and you will see this option right here, flutters/material.dart. Once you import this package and you save it, the arrow will be gone. But now you have to import this home page inside of this main.dart. So let's do this. You can use again import, and now you use type in home, and you will see this option right here, home.dart. Save it, and now you can restart your app, and you will see this will work without having any problems. One way that I like to organize my project, it's coming here inside of this lib folder. I will create subfolders as I need it. So I will create a folder for page. You can drag and drop this home.dart file inside of this page folder. Just click on move, and then it will ask you to update the reference. Just click OK. Home.dart is coming from inside of this page. Inside of this page, you will create all the pages necessary for your application. The same way, we can create a new subfolder. Let's call this models. This for your data that you will use your class for your objects. And then I would also like to create a subfolder called service. This are for the REST service to get data from the internet. Another way you can create these subfolders, it's by using a new terminal. You come right here, make sure you are inside of your root project folder, and then you can use mkdir/p for arguments, and let's create a new folder inside of this lib /. And now let's create a folder called widget. This folder, and inside of this folder will have the common widget that we'll have between the pages. If you create a widget, let's say a padding widget, and you'll use throughout your application, you can create inside of this folder. So we have the models, the page, the service, and I also create another folder that's called helpers. Helper folder. This helper folder will have classes that will help convert a number or a text. You can create this class inside of this help folder. And another folder that I like to create is coming right here inside of my root folder now, and create the assets folder. So assets / you can call image, and then inside of the assets you can also create another subfolder for fonts. So this is how I like to organize my folder. Right here, the assets folder is for resource for your image that you'll use inside of your application, and for the fonts inside of this. And then inside of your lib folder you have these subfolders organized as you want. So this is how I usually organize my project. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is it for this video. See you on the next one.